welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna play some Hungry Shark. Now you might be wondering, why in such a short notice? Actually, not a short notice, a long notice, whatever. Anyways, so I recorded a Solar Smash video right now, and I was gonna press the, stop time, but I accidentally pressed the stop record button. So, anyways, hopefully we can crush 10 likes today and 5 subscribers. 5 subscribes. Yep. Anyways, so on Monday, I'm going to upload the wolf video, the wolf part. Yep. I know how much you guys want this, even though I can't see the comments because this is like child restricted or some crap. You guys can watch it if you want. Let's do it. What was that? Ow, my neck. Anyways, let's play some Hungry Shark. Now, yes, as you can see by the update, it is a very, very amazing. Hopefully you guys know the update. But still, I want to tell you something. You guys know Mr. Snappy? You see that blue shark next to the whale and the megalodon? You see the robo shark and the shark with the jetpack, and there's a purple shark, and under that shark there's a blue shark? I have that shark. Yep, I got Mr. Snappy, guys. All I needed to do was give 170 gems. The music is so loud. Alright, now that you guys can hear me better, I'm gonna keep my mic a little further away. Sorry for that pause. Anyways, I'll show you the sharks that I have, alright? Let's start all the way from the beginning. Let's not show that. And you guys might be wondering why I said let's not show that, because that was a spoiler and you guys already saw it now, so it doesn't matter anymore. So first we got the porcelain, but its actual name is the black tip reef. This is the white tip reef. Never used it. Never used this either. I used this. Never used it. Anyways, then I got the sand shark. He's awesome. I used him a lot. Then I got the heat eye, which I didn't care. And I got the bull shark. And I got this hat, party hat, which gave me money. It was fun to play around with. I didn't get the goblin shark. Then I got Echo, which I didn't care. Then I got the Mega Mouth, one of my favorite sharks. He's awesome. He can do so much damage. I gave him a force field. Then I got the tiger shark. This is not a skin right now. I'll show you his skin. His skin is the Hulu skin. It's an awesome skin. As it says, beware this family of magical sharks, lest they cast a curse upon you. He has a royal robe, a scepter roll, necklace, as you can see, not a royal crown. He got an emerald party hat, and he has a force field. Then I got the basking shark, who got laser eye, force field. He got a freaking robe, his scepter, his necklace. He already has his crown, eye beamer, and force field. I already said that. Then we got whale shark, tiger shark, and then I got the frenzy. And I equipped all the things on it. After this, I got Mr. Snappy. He is so fun to play around with. See? Anyways, I upgraded his stats, gave him all the stuff. Now let's play. Hopefully you guys can hear the gameplay. It's already been 5 minutes. So yeah. I don't mind that. Anyways, so what are you doing? And my brother's here and he's being a jerk. Oh, he bit my leg for some reason. Don't worry, guys. He's not weird. He's a good brother. He's just trying to annoy me. Just give this a second. Wait. Let's skip this. Well, that was a fast one. That didn't really need to skip. Ah! Alrighty. I'm gonna stop the. Ah! My leg. I'll tell Mom. Oh God. Anyways, guys, sorry for that. I got bit by my brother. He's crazy for some reason. He's trying to annoy me.
Isn't that the Moses?
Yes, but his name is Mr. Snappy. But anyways, I was talking to my brother, so I'll just stop the commentary. Ah! This will be another no commentary video.
Okay, sure. Punch.
दादा मुझे काट रहा है.
What is Moses' name again?
Snappy.
He looks more like a crocodile, to be honest, because of his legs, you know?
Yeah, he can walk on land.
That's not a mosasaur then. That's more like a crocodile.
Sort of.
Fight, it was so high in the morning. Now what happened?
Why did you bite me?
It was fun. What can I say? You're so weak. When I bite you, it became red. Oh my god.
Aye!
I'm kidding.
Can't even let it
What are you speaking? FNF? What? Ready to lose? Reuse to lose? What? Am I okay? Oh, refuse to lose. Like, ready to lose? Huh?
You want to see him walk on land? Sure. Wait.
Oh, that was...
Oh yeah, and sorry for not uploading in a while. Been busy. Very busy. Ah, shit!
Uh-huh.
Hey, give that
Wait,
back!
this is gonna tear.
You give that back! Aye!
Stop it, I'm doing anatomy of the human ear fingers.
Aye!
Yuck! It's got your ear wax on it.
Yeah?
Disgusting.
I can't even get... Give that back.
If someone like full speed spun this, right? And then like threw it at someone. So like just like this is what I mean to say. Like spun it like that,
I know.
like from this, like holding it from this, and then spinning it like this and this and this and this, and then like threw it at somebody. Would it hurt more if you just did it with like this, or would it hurt more if you did it like this?
Like this, definitely. I've had my personal experiences with that, so yeah, that's why. Anyways, before I tell mom. आई दादा आपका हेडफोन्स छीन रहा है और तोड़ने वाला है. You keep on spinning around, you're gonna break your cheeses. आई Sorry for not uploading, guys, anyway, because I've been very busy.
Yeah, busy doing nothing, of course.
Like I said. God dang it. Sorry for not uploading in a while.
Because he's
no commentary.
doing nothing.
Now it's unconnected.
But I can still speak through the tablet microphone. Of course,
Are you stupid? I've tried so many times speaking through the tablet microphone, and I don't hear a single thing. Not a single word. You can hear like.
Because that's what you do.
The combine of a screaming. Anyways, do you want to watch me play with Mr. Snappy? Ow! No, that's not what I meant. You disgusting. You're not human if you say that.
Disgusting.
See? He's walking. He likes to walk. You dare do that. I will scream, Mom, so loud that the rest of the planet will hear it. You want to watch me play with Mr. Snappy or what? Alright, fine, jerk. You bite me, I'm gonna kill you. You're so cute.
You're gonna die.
You're cute. I would end Are you trying to bite me, or are you trying to just gonna...
That's my plan all along.
You're the weirdest human to ever exist. Some might even say not human at all.
What was that?
I don't know. For that horrible score. I usually do better. It's just because my brother annoying me. So yeah. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.